The 2025 State Route 72 Darkstar is a revolutionary fifth-generation hypersonic fighter jet designed to redefine the limits of speed, stealth, and combat efficiency. Dubbed the Son of Blackbird, this next-gen aircraft builds upon the legendary State Route 71 but takes it to an entirely new level with cutting-edge technology, unmatched velocity, and futuristic design. Developed by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works, the State Route 72 is poised to dominate the skies, offering military forces an unprecedented advantage in reconnaissance and strike missions. Performance. Hypersonic dominance. At the heart of the SR-72's power is its hypersonic capability, reaching speeds of Mach 6+, twice the velocity of its predecessor, the State Route 71. Powered by an advanced combined cycle propulsion system, a hybrid between a turbojet and scramjet, the aircraft seamlessly transitions from subsonic to hypersonic speeds. This allows it to cover vast distances in minutes, evade enemy defenses, and strike with pinpoint accuracy before adversaries can react. Beyond speed, the State Route 72 integrates stealth technology and AI-assisted avionics, ensuring superior battlefield awareness and survivability in high-risk zones. Whether for reconnaissance or high-speed strike missions, the Darkstar sets a new benchmark in aerial warfare. Exterior design. A vision of the future. The SR-72's exterior embodies pure aerodynamic perfection. Its sleek, needle-like fuselage, blended wing body structure, and cutting-edge heat-resistant materials allow it to withstand the extreme temperatures of hypersonic flight. The aircraft features a shrouded air intake system that optimizes airflow at supersonic and hypersonic speeds, ensuring efficient propulsion. Every inch of the Darkstar is built for stealth. Its radar-absorbing skin and low reflective surfaces make it virtually invisible to enemy detection systems. The futuristic, razor-sharp contours and high-speed aerodynamics solidify its position as the most advanced fighter jet in existence. Fuel efficiency. Pushing the limits of endurance. Despite its mind-blowing speed, the State Route 72 is designed for fuel efficiency at hypersonic velocities. The combination of a dual-mode scramjet engine and advanced fuel systems maximizes range while minimizing refueling needs. By utilizing sustainable synthetic fuels, it reduces emissions while maintaining extreme performance. Its automated flight optimization system ensures the aircraft always operates at peak efficiency, adjusting fuel consumption based on altitude, speed, and mission demands. This groundbreaking approach makes the State Route 72 one of the most fuel-conscious hypersonic aircraft ever built. The 2025 State Route 72 Darkstar is more than just a fighter jet, it's the dawn of a new era in aerial warfare. With its unmatched speed, stealth, and AI-driven capabilities, it has the power to reshape modern combat strategy. Whether conducting rapid reconnaissance or executing high-speed precision strikes, the Darkstar leaves adversaries powerless in its wake. As the world's first operational hypersonic fighter, the State Route 72 stands as a testament to human ingenuity, engineering excellence, and military dominance. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning.